So that's why there's a lot of bee, because the bee is like having them sex together.
Allah.
Anyway, guys, we received a bad news.
Good morning, Philippines.
Good morning, everything. Good morning, guys. Today is Monday na. And good morning sa inyo, guys. Galing ako sa labas, nagtubig. Sa paa ko, sakit pa rin siya. Kaya meron ditong bangko. Ginanon ko lang yung paa ko para tataas yung paa. And ano pa ba yung anuhan to? Mag-edit lang ako dito. Yung namin, yung septic, nagpa-appointment si Tami ngayong araw. Darating din daw sila, yung septic, para higupin yung mga anik-anik sa ilalim. Mainit, grabe. Tinubigan ko yung kahoy, tinubigan ko yung lahat. Matagal ako natapos nagtubig, nagdilig. Sabi pa ninyo tubig. So, okay lang naman nagtubig. Understandable. You know, understandable yung... Hello guys, so you see, I did something for my foot because I think I have peripheral neuropathy na sakit sa legs. Akala namin bite, and then may poison ivy ako, and then meron akong sakit sa toho, 'di ba, arthritis. And then meron ako niyan. Pero iba naman yung arthritis. Sumakit yung arthritis ko dahil sa air conditioning sa bahay. And so, pero iba itong naramdaman ko kasi tingling, numbness. At saka parang nafe-feel ko na yung nerve ng legs ko is dying. So I researched and I try to exercise. It feels good. Yung in-exercise ko siya. Are you serious? Look, he turned it on again. Maginaw naman, so yeah, it's cold. You know, exercising, it feels good. It feels like have like the relief. The nerve is just tightening like that. It's like this is, they said, because less movement of my legs. It's like not even circulating properly, and then the nerve is not used to it. It says need to be like move and exercise more often. If I rub my foot, I rub it somewhere else, like the foot area, like the here, the sole. This is not sole, the sole is here, right? That's flat.
The heel, the sole is okay.
Yeah, the flat area. So, for example, I go to the chair. I have chair in front of me. I rub it, right? So sensitive and hurting now. Hand harvest tayo na. Beating. Harvest tayo, harvest. Ito. Harvest. String beans. More string beans. Okay. What else? It's right here. Okay. What else? Maliit pa yung iba. Pabayaan ko lang sila doon sa likuran. Baka meron ng malaki. Ito na yung talong ko. Look. Talong. At saka isa. Dito. Meron dito eh. Ito malaki. Okay. At saka everyday na lang tayo nag-harvest, diba? At saka meron na tayong okra. Look, meron na tayong okra, guys. Diyan. Harvest ko yan. Not today. May mga sili nang natubo. Sili. There's more over there, but this is a cucumber. The bee is crazy. And I keep harvesting this every day, and there's more over there. Crazy, hanging like this and it's big. I let it grow more bigger. It's hanging because it's the vine is like over there. Oh.
Still a lot. Do they grow back after you pick them? More grow?
There's a lot of babies. Like
But
for
I'm saying,
example,
after you pick one off, does another one grow there? Or no?
yeah, in one plant, like a lot of them. Some of them, for example, this is an older. The next week there's another one, and then so if you harvest this, the next day there's another one coming bigger.
So if you harvest all the cucumbers off of one plant, it'll grow new ones?
Yeah, they keep growing. If you go over there,
I
honey,
like that.
if you go over there, there's a lot of babies and there's a lot of flowers, male and female. The female is the one this, the male is the one the flowers. So that's why there's a lot of bee, because the bee is like having them sex together.
A lot?
They like keep moving the pollen. So that's why this one have. So it's a lot of freaking thing out there. Every time I water, I have to do like this because there's a lot of bee.
Of course you know what asparagus looks like.
I know what asparagus is. The
It
plant.
looks just like a regular asparagus.
It growing like that?
Yeah.
Or growing like this?
No, growing like that.
The asparagus grow like that?
Yeah.
Really? And there is leaves? Or no leaves?
It looked like an asparagus. That's why I knew it was asparagus.
It's
it
no
looked
leaves?
just like an asparagus.
No leaves?
No, just like... It was very weird. But
Maybe it's not asparagus.
I didn't know they just grow wild. He says, yeah, they grow wild asparagus.
Hey guys, nagluluto ako guys ng ito. Bongo, nagluluto. Ito na yung string beans natin. Ito yon, ginger and onion. Yun. Another salad guys, cucumber salad. Masarap kasi yung cucumber salad. And ang ipares ko na lang doon sa munggo ko is ito. At saka yung gulay natin doon. And ito, yung leftover na Chinese cabbage. Luto na tayo. Kumuha ako ng tanglad kasi look yung lemongrass natin kasi tumaas na siya. Dumadami na konti. So, yun. Nagkuha lang ako. Look. Ang bango. Oh! Good, so good, so good.
It's fast. It's easy. And you can make a little money. Sell and buy almost anything from home.
And then, ito yung ilagay natin. Sasayaw talaga. Yung mga ano ba sa Pilipinas, yung parang pira o bayong. Hindi natin ipakita kasi andito si banana. Ilagay na natin ito guys. Gusto ko maging parang ano na siya, durog na ba? Wala na siya. Wala ka nang makikita. Pat kahit anik-anik. Yun. Pampalasa lang kasi ito para sa akin. So, yun. And then takpan para mag-boil. Yun lang. Lagay ko na si string beans guys para maluto siya. Yun. So, nilagay ko na lahat ng gulay guys. Yung Chinese cabbage, at saka yung malunggay, and also sinama ko na rin si zucchini kasi nag-iisa siya sa isa na lang, so hinarvest ko kahapon kasi gamitin na natin.
Where'd she go? I don't see her nowhere. She must be lying on the porch in the sun, of course. Whoa, Lock is spread out on the couch. Her face in the shadow with her body.
And dito na sila guys, yung
Your father's been researching our genealogy. We're Vikings. Daily Moisture Renewal Conditioner. Instead of just coating hair with heavy moisturizers, Pantene's Smart Conditioner formula micro-targets damage.
this kind of string beans guys, they called it here What is that? Giant asparagus?
Asparagus beans.
Chicken is good leftover, hun. All the flavor. Sarap ng string beans. String beans is good done with the white rice, right? And we have an old cucumber gamitin natin. Anyway guys, we received a bad news today. This afternoon, Tommy did, and nawala na si Freddy, yung pusa. That's sad. He doesn't really eat the whole thing, right? The whole time, right?
Well, she said he ate nothing with her. Yeah, I would keep getting him something different until I coax him to eat something.
Yeah. That's a good cat. I remember he's always afraid of people, but if you keep going over there, he'll come to you. He's always been like that, afraid. I think most cats are like that.
No, he always just come to me. But I wouldn't let you go to him.
I mean,
I would sit on the front steps and he'd come over to get a pet.
they have Freddy before we met, right?
You got people who had him. Basically, he lived outside in the garage and stuff. And then they upped and moved and left him.
Yeah. The first owner left him, and my sister-in-law adopted him. He's old, guys, and have problem. They said he has cancer. What kind of liver, right?
Yeah.
And also, the septic guy just came here, right? And so annoying, boy. No, don't go to him. So they don't find the septic opener. Under.
Knock something.
My husband is making drinks and he want me to drink. Guys, if I died, no upload for a few days.
Here's the deal. You think I'm trying to poison you? You pick which one you want to have, and I'll have the other one.
You have two. May nilagay siya, guys. He put something. Han!
Drink it all. I don't care if it's got a couple little lumps in it. Big deal.
It's a lot of freaking...
Oh, who cares?
Next time, don't make it with us, ah. No.
Finish it.
Han, I just drink it. Oh
Finish
my
it.
god. I can't breathe.
Finish it. You can breathe. Yeah. Oh, drama queen. Oh, drama queen. How dramatic are you? If I was a drama queen, my name would be MaryAnn. Oh, I am just a drama queen. Holy shit, man. When you finish it, you just finish it. I'll need 2 drops. I'll need 2 drops. Finish the 2 drops and let's get it over so I can wash the dish, the glass. Thank you. Oh, stop.
Gelatin. I never really like it.
You don't even like it. There's no taste. Because then the lumps will all be gone. That got washed down with water.
Anyway guys, I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. And wala guys, yun lang yung ano guys, hinihintay namin yung septic pero nothing happened with the septic. Anyway, good night. See you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye, Han.
Bye guys.
Night guys, see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.